go to Bimini?
Well, let's hope so.
Let's go.
We're ready.
You ready, Sam?
Yeah.
What time is it? It's 9:05 Friday night. We're gonna prep the lines, and then you need to get a life jacket on though. We all do.
Made it at 4:59 a.m. I got the T-Mobile welcome to the Bahamas. It was awesome.
How far out were we though when you got that? We were still like an hour and a half out.
We were only about 5 nautical miles out.
So we anchored off of Bimini Key because we didn't want to go into the channel or go into Bimini at dark.
We're on Bimini Road, actually.
Our Bimini Road. And there's a cruise ship port, which is really interesting because at night those markers are all lit up. It's like looks like a landing strip almost. And anyway, we've been anchored here for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Took a little nap. Alright, well, we're gonna raise anchor. It's about 9:09. We're about half hour from the entrance and probably maybe 15 minutes from Big Game.
Oh, it's a Virgin.
Are they moving?
Cruise.
No, they're not moving. They're stuck.
They're anchored.
Yeah. Alright. So we're gonna lift anchor and get out of here.
So much fun. What are we doing?
Right now.
We think that's a marker. We're not sure. We think it's red. We're not sure.
Don't want to hit it though.
Don't want to hit it. Now we're in the middle of, where are we, Mike?
I don't know.
Don't know.
I don't know what this is.
Oh, look, there's big water over there.
I don't think it's big, Sherine.
No big. Our boat. Got our new 2 Christmas chairs from the kids and bing bang chairs from me to Mike. Our boat is a wreck after all the upgrades we put on it in Fort Lauderdale. Haven't had a chance to clean it since we wanted to make our 12-hour weather window from Fort Lauderdale to Bimini before the next storm system. And I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of spitting rain right now. Here we are going up the channel, headed to customs. We've never done it before, so anxious to see what customs is like in the Bahamas.
Alright, we just cleared immigration. Now we gotta go to customs. What's that? No, nothing. I guess the cruise ship left. Everybody went home. What do you think of the dry season?
Love the dry season.
I wonder what this was at one point. if we go around over there? Huh?
I'm afraid to get too close and then get super, super wet. Why don't you try?
Super wet?
Look. Yeah. Yeah. The long lost red marker that we couldn't find.
United and Spirit both have flights going out on Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. Okay?
From where?
Here.
Yeah.
The Spirit flight is going to be $100 cheaper than the United flight.
Uh-huh.
It's the same flight.
It's the same flight?
But I booked the United flight for this reason. If I need to get off island and it's the wrong date, at least I have United credit and I can use it for other things.
Uh-huh. You gotta walk on the right side of the road and drive on the wrong side of the road. I wonder what the oldest one is. Looks like it's, well, it's Tuesday morning. It's about 7:45, and I think it's gonna be nice today. Yesterday was beautiful. Today I think it's gonna be nice most of the day, and then I think tonight the storm is supposed to roll through, cold front, and make everything cold. I'm not sure what cold is, but at least bring the squalls and stuff back. Here's our view. Trolleys are letting off the first batch of folks from the cruise ship. We're about to get our daily fix of Reggae Neil Diamond and Hotel California and all of your favorites. Sherine and I are hard at work.
Yes.
In paradise.
Yes.
You're a person of many words, Sherine. Yes.
From the east.
That's where we stopped. Check in. We're waiting to get our laundry done.
We just landed at Bimini after Christmas. It's gorgeous. We're on the ferry. We're on the airport. Excited to be back.
Very.
On our way to the Hilton, which is right next to our marina on the ferry. Looks like we're making another stop up here. What you do when you have to reach something. You MacGyver it. He's standing on a Yeti cooler, my ottoman from my desk, and a step stool so he can mount his Starlink.
Got the Iridium mounted, and it looks like it's found a satellite. Somehow, somewhere, we got to get all that cable
routed underneath and run. Seaplane taking off. Run the Iridium and the Starlink through this hole where that line is, down into the engine and out to the nav station somehow. What's going on? Dude, that's crazy shit.
Did you see that guy got in his way? He was about to take off and then that yacht got in his way.
And we just picked up propane, although I'm not sure we needed to. Far south side of North Bimini Cemetery. Oh!
Wow, did you see that iguana? This is the line for the gas station. It's only 2. Whoa! Traffic jam. I want to go to Brown's grocery store. It's up here somewhere. It's raining on your birthday.
Where the sea clean is. Just run. Man, come on. You talking?
Oh, anyways, let me turn this
I
on.
see you yet.
I'm an airplane right now.
The pilot right here. See? Where you is? Come. This guy only may get my wife.
Crocodile Dundee back here. The pilot's Crocodile Dundee.
Resort World Marina. Headed to the Berry Islands. It's January 15th, 2023. It's Mike's birthday. He's getting his favorite thing to do on Earth on his birthday, sailing. Well, one.